Welcome to video 22 in customizing your WordPress theme with PHP, HTML, and CSS. In the past videos we had a look at how to, customize your WordPress theme or install a WordPress theme for that matter onto your system, and we did that by going to searching for a theme or looking at the popular themes, and you can also do that by importing a theme. So that's all good and well, but the biggest problem we have is that we still need to figure out how we can get a theme to get customizable to exactly what we want, right? Because if we only use what the theme allows you to do, then we won't be able to deliver a proper website to your client, right? And that's important. That's the essence, the most important thing to understand, that you can deliver the best the best theme or the best website possible. And that's what we're going to look at, is looking at how we can go a step further using HTML, CSS, and PHP to alter the website. Now, before I do this, you need to know that there's two ways of doing this. You can either do this by altering it in Dreamweaver and CSS, and if you're not familiar how to do that, then you can look into doing that. And the other way of doing it is how we're going to do it, is doing it inside of WordPress itself. So before we start off by doing this, we need to understand not only CSS, but we need to understand PHP basic terms as well as HTML. But I will show you in this few videos how to understand the basics behind it. So if I go to my site, we can go to our dashboard section. Now, the thing that I want you to remember is that every theme has got some basics behind it. So I'm going to go to my themes, right? And the basics that I'm talking about is not the actual how can I say, settings that you can change on WordPress, but the actual files behind the scenes. So if I go to my server, which I'm going to connect to now. Sorry, I need to, how am I going to do this? So I'm going to go to TeamViewer. And basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to connect to my server. So it doesn't want to connect. Oh, it says connection cannot be established due to running in a partner program. Okay, that is fine. Okay, let's try again. Oh, it's not working. That's not a problem. I can show you that on WordPress as well. So if we go to our WordPress section and we go to the editor section, we're basically going to go and edit our WordPress theme. So the thing that I wanted to show you actually when connecting with the TeamViewer is the files behind the whole system. So unfortunately, I cannot show you that right now. I can show you another WordPress probably, and that is going to be as follows. So if I go to domain, and I've got a WordPress right here, and if I go to WordPress content, you can do the same. You go to themes, and you can see I've got a couple of themes going on here. So I've got this one theme. Let's have a look at 2011, which is very standard. Themes consist of a couple of things. They consist of style.css. Now, the style.css is the core of the theme. That is where everything runs upon, right? And when you look at the style.css, you will get all the styling, everything of the whole theme would be inside of style.css. The next thing all themes have is got images folder. That's where all the images of that certain website or that certain theme is located, and colors are the certain colors of the theme. So, and JS. So every single theme must run a certain basic behind it. It's got to have a style.css, it's got to have images, it's got to have JS, it's got to have languages, and so forth, right? So every single WordPress theme has to have one of these. Next thing that WordPress theme always have is called 404, and 404 is basically the page that will display if a certain if the client or if the user that's navigating the website goes to a page that doesn't exist anymore or a broken page, it will display that, right?